Wow, money really speaks volumes. Take a look at this magnificent edifice, my people. It belongs to an Igbo billionaire from Anambra State. He is none other than the founder and managing director of Zenco Group of Companies, a conglomerate that spans across various industries including oil, real estate, telecommunications, and it might also interest you to know that they are Zenco Communications Limited, a West African partner of Techno Phones. He also owns the Juliet's Baby diaper and even the popular The General Bitters. Oh yes. So just a few days ago, this Igbo billionaire made headlines again when he acquired a massive 60,000 square meter piece of land right in the heart of Lagos State. And now he has taken to his official Facebook page to announce yet another major development. His housewarming party, yes. According to his post on Facebook, the house opening will take place on the 1st of January 2026 at Upo, Anambra State. Although the mansion is still under construction, as you all can see in the video, it is already turning heads as we speak with its scale and beauty. From one huge investment to another, this billionaire is clearly not slowing down anytime soon. This is the kind of wealth and consistency that truly inspires. What do you all think about this development, my people? Let us know in the comments.